And good afternoon from Tropic Falls, Ola, Foley, Alabama, Gulf Shores. We're here probably only to ride Rolling Thunder. This Reverchon spinning mouse looks like it's going. We'll see. A little windy. Maybe we'll get a valley. Much better than Chicago, though. Oh, look, can we just sneak in here? So we just... So we just sneak in here, restricted area, don't enter. Why is it open then? Why is it open? Ticket purchased. We about to go in. Tropic Falls. All right. This will be both of our first Zamperla Thunderbolt model. Oh, and by the way, when you come in, they put a little smiley face on your hand. Is this body shaming? Doesn't look very busy. Either that or they have Mount Olympus style operations there where they wait for the whole car to be filled. Either way. The couple 0G rolls, a vertical loop, turn around over here, dive loop, something going on here. Might be waiting a while to get some off right here. I don't know, where do we go in? Where's the entrance? Down there? Here? We'll report back in a sec. Mainly just here for this. The mouse is over that way. Spinning mouse, I don't know what it's called, but looks like one of those Zamperla spinning mouses. Got a half pipe going on back here. It's a very colorful park for sure. I don't know what I'm going to be doing other than riding this, but we'll see. All right, very windy today, but there were people here for the water park, so we're not the only morons. We are going to attempt to get on now. Rolling Thunder. We'll report back here after a ride, see how it is. Oh, almost.
That baby's moving.
Yeah. Rolling Thunder. Rolling garbage is what that should be called. I really don't understand. I don't quite get the full extent of the Zamperla hate, but I don't know how you ride something like that, or a wild mouse that they built, and be like, yeah, they're the ones that do Top Thrill Dragster. I get it, they've come a long way, but it was just as rough, if not more than Top Thrill 2 is. A little bouncy, shaky, everything. Loop was okay. It's running slow today because train wasn't fully loaded in the wind, so I'm not going to hold that against it. But the inversions were not smooth. There was a one airtime hill over there somewhere that was god awful for some reason. Oh, there is. That's why. So on the descent, rather than on the ascent, like you find on most B&Ms, they trim you on the way up. It trims you on the way down, severely cutting the airtime down. So not very good. So yeah, the outward leg right here felt real sluggish, but again, that's right now the conditions. Not going to hold that against Zamperla.
I'll hold it.
I will hold the trim against Zamperla, which I don't know if you'll be able to see that. We'll take a walk over here, but it trims on the descent of the airtime hill, so you get the nice pop of airtime, and then bam, you're slammed into a very uncomfortable restraint. Not as rough as some of the reviews I saw. But it is definitely jolty. It's noticeably jolty, just like Top Thrill 2 is. So yeah, it should be right here. The airtime hill is. Excuse the copyright in the background. Copyright music here. Yeah, look at this. Oh, woo, windy. Kind of see that there is some fins sticking up. I don't know if they look fixed, so they're always on. Much compared difference where they're programmed based on how fast the coaster's running. So over here is the indoor water park, the Haunted Mansion clone, and then the Spinning Mouse will be a no-go today, sadly. So $30 for one ride. I've done much stupider though, so I cannot give a full review of OA Tropic Falls because I only did one thing and it was very dead today. So
Big bath.
my brother said very clean bathrooms. That's always a plus. And they have budget Dippin' Dots here, mini melts. Looks like they had the budget Haunted Mansion back there. So yeah, a lot of flat rides. Definitely more of a family park. It's kind of just like a promenade, and then they dropped a few rides here, a few cookie cutter rides like this Zamperla Thunderbolt, and then the Revershawn Zamperla Spinning Mouse over there. So I'd be curious to know if it was a bundle deal with Zamperla 2 coasters. I know they also have a kiddie coaster here, which also might be a Zamperla. I'll have to do my research on that. I'll put it on the screen here. But yeah, so OA, it's about 50 degrees, I think, 50, 60 degrees here. So good for me, but not for the people here. Presented well here at the front, I like that. And we're headed out, so yeah, turn that frown upside down. There we go. Okay, quick little stop here at Tropic Falls, OA. My thoughts are mixed. Of course, excuse the Taylor Swift cover going on in the background here, but we're meeting some family here. I figured we would just pop over. I was hoping to get all the credits, but only just the one. So, sadly, one of 3, I think we got. I don't know, one of 2, but I get it, it's windy. It's cold for Florida. Beautiful for me, this breeze. You can see the flag is really good in the background there. Yeah, windy, breezy, but still sunny and nice. So Tropic Falls at OA, I give Rolling Thunder probably a good 5.5 out of 10. So uncomfortable, not padded enough terrain wise. Very beautiful park, clean park from what we saw, and I think they could definitely invest a little bit more into it. So make sure to subscribe if you like this vlogging content. And I've got some more parts of the Six Flags Great America 50th anniversary series coming soon. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video.